What are you prepping for, bro?
Just make some minor changes.
Site supervisors. What's Mum prepping for?
Looking down
That was that. Wait!
Someone has a fear of spiders.
Cobwebs. Step 1. Done.
We got some little
Slaters.
Slaters.
So, the bar is out. Just, I wanted to try and preserve the stone as much as possible, look after the stone, because I want to honour, I guess, the previous owner who is no longer with us. He built this bar, I think, not long after moving into the house. And my dad came up with a great idea of using the stone to reinforce the retaining wall in the garden, which is sleepers, and some of the sleepers have rotten. And so he's just said to do, I don't know if it's called a loose stone wall or something like that, but it's basically not glued in. It's just it's going to sound noisy, isn't it, with you playing with this fluff ball on my neck? We're going to use the stone. I wanted to look after the stone as much as possible to fix it up at the back. I've hammered down all the nails. I've given the floor a mop just to try and get rid of the black. I've sanded it back so we're not walking black charcoal around the house, and eventually it's going to be covered with floorboards. The walls are going to be painted, and no one will ever know it was even here.